bonjour. Today we'll make a soup together, a soup that you can eat as much as you want. And why is that? Because when you eat low-calorie vegetables, and then you have with that a high-protein ingredient in your soup as well, you create satiety. So you can eat as much as you want because of the low calorie, so quantity doesn't matter. And then with the high protein ingredient in it, then you have your protein, so you're set. You know, you might want to lose some weight. I know I do. It's always happened around here. And so if you don't eat enough at a meal, because you go, I'm going to eat less, then you snack. And when you snack, that's when it's the bad news too for your weight. So let's do something so we don't get into the snacking. The ingredients in this soup is to create satiety. You'll see, you'll be amazed, and quick too, of course, has to be quick. Ready to do it? Okay, let's start. So first I'm using a 2-level steamer, a bamboo steamer, because it will be practical for that soup. Put it on the scale, of course, and then we add carrots that are simply diced because I'm steaming them. And we do 300 grams. And why am I steaming? Because when you steam, you keep more nutrients in the food. That's why. And then we'll put the lid on this one, and then we'll start. I have my induction cooker. That's a mouthful for me. And then the next layer, what we'll do is we'll put the ingredients that were cooked already. If you have those in your fridge, they're awesome. This is the black-eyed peas that have been sprouted and cooked, and this is the quinoa that has been sprouted and cooked. Both of those, this one is low calorie, this one is high protein. So, you know, you hit what you need to really be satiated. Now we'll put 50 grams of the black-eyed peas in this other layer here. And what it does is while the carrots are cooking, it just warms up the other ingredients. So your soup is ready in no time. There we are. And now it's boiling. So I can bring this down and I can put that layer on top. Can you still see? Somewhat, eh? Oh, there you go. Now you can see. So I simply have water here in a skillet, and then we have the bamboo basket on top, steaming. Okay, I'll put that to the side. It's a little noisy. Oh, and then 4 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My induction cooker has a timer, so I can put the amount of time I want. But if not, if you're doing it on your stove, you can use a timer or you can use your phone. Okay, so while this is happening, 450 grams of water. Onions, and it's just the normal like yellow onions, and we add 40 grams of it, so 490. And then we add the apple cider vinegar, 12 grams, so 502. And then we add the veggie broth, 8 grams of the veggie broth, so we are at 510. And we add 5 grams of garlic. And for the garlic, what you do, you put it on the side here. So you can see, instead of putting it direct in the liquid, because you know you would have to fish it out, which is more trouble, right? So you just put it on the side here to get to your 5 grams. And there we are, 5 grams. Next ingredient is the ginger, the grated ginger. Grated ginger is very simple. You use a microplane and you grate your ginger. Wash your ginger with a brush and then don't peel it. The peel is good. Organic. You know, if it's not organic, then maybe not. But organic, definitely keep the peel. Then we add 5 grams of the ginger. And then we also add half a teaspoon. This is a blend of sea vegetables. So sea vegetables are awesome for the natural iodine in it, which is excellent for your thyroid. And then what else do we need? Oh, and then the cracked pepper to turn. And now we're all set. So we just leave it because what we'll do is all the ingredients that are steaming right now will go all in the blender. And when you have a blender like mine, or a blender that is powerful, if you blend it a few times, you warm up your soup that way. Why am I doing this into a steamer rather than overcooking, if you wish? Or, it could be that you cook your soup and you simmer. So when you use steam, you keep more of the nutrients. So in this case here, none of the ingredients here will go to be cooked. They'll be warmed up, but they won't be cooked. Oh, and then it's ready now. Carrots are ready. This is ready. I will put the ingredients into the liquid here. There we go. And the same with the carrots. And there we go. I'll try to hold on to this. There. Okay, now that everything is into the blender, we are going to blend. With a lid is better. Have you done that? I've done it. I did blend without a lid. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Okay, let's blend. And here we are. And, oh, that smells so good. So good. And here's the cream. See? Isn't this just gorgeous? So it might be 2 portions for you. It might be just the right portion for you. But for sure, it is one to enjoy. Put a little bit of pepper on top. And there you are. All right. Let's have a taste. So good. So good. And the ginger also has a thermogenic effect. It burns fat. I just love it. You eat delicious food, but then it also helps you with your weight management. Love food that loves you back. See you in the next one.